Hello dear aspirants of higher studies. At this juncture of life, most of you must be completing your school education and now you desire to study into your dream college or university. Whether you are from arts, science or commerce background and you want to pursue your career and education in either BTech, BSc Honours, BCom Honours, BA Honours, LLB, Biotechnology and so on. Then friends, CUT UG is a common platform for your entry into your dream college or university. I am SDS Sir, faculty at the PSPD division of Resonance, and today I am here with some insight of CUT UG and some strategies to crack CUT UG 2024 and enter into your dream college. So friends, here are some strategies to crack your CUT UG 2024. First of all, keep in mind that NCERT is the Bible for CUT UG. So, brush up your NCERT completely, particularly your class 11th and class 12th of all your domain subjects. Secondly, CUT UG is an MCQ based test. So, practice more and more MCQs, and you very well know practice is the key to success. And for every correct answer, you will get +5, and for incorrect answer, -1 marks will be there. So practice your test accordingly. And very important thing, the foremost thing is work smart, not only just hard. So smart working will help you for your success in the exams. And take your mock test regularly. Practice, practice and practice will help you a lot. And so be regular in practicing your mock test. And when you practice your mock test, go through the question paper carefully and please read your instructions very carefully. Next important thing is there are chances that the candidate might feel demotivated. So don't let that demotivation crop up your mind. The better way is discuss the things with your parents and teachers. They will surely motivate you and guide you towards your success. Now, those students who are appearing for English as the main subject, as the main language, then you will realize that the majority of the questions will be based on reading comprehension and vocabulary. So, how to improve your reading skills and vocabulary? The best way is reading the newspapers daily. Develop the liking and read the newspapers on the daily basis, because this reading will enhance your reading speed as well as your vocabulary, and this will boost up your performance in your English language. Moving on to general test. Those who are opting for general test, please focus on the current affairs, because last year in the previous year's papers 10 questions reflected from current affairs, and if you read the newspapers on the regular basis, no doubt you will be updated with the current affairs as well. In questions based on quant, the level of questions is very easy and the level of questions is only up to class 10th. Attempt the case studies first because they are highly scoring and you can get more marks through it. So, for those students who are appearing for general test, keep a check on the case studies questions also. For those students who are taking the commerce subjects as their domain subjects, particularly the subjects like accountancy, business studies and business laws, what are the things you should keep in mind? Make the calculations carefully and avoid making silly mistakes. Be prompt and be very quick in your calculations. And finally, the concept should be very clear. Where economics paper is concerned, when you attempt the paper, imagine the diagrams or the images to guess the correct answers. This will help you a lot. And questions based on numericals are comparatively easier. So please focus on those questions which are based on numericals. Moving on to the other subjects, the science domain subjects, physics, what are the things you should focus on? Work upon the practical based questions. Learn formulas and basic definitions properly and memorize the basic concepts of the chapters. So, revise your NCERT thoroughly. Moving on to chemistry, work upon the reaction type questions. Revise all the name reactions, electronic configurations of the elements and learn the formulas and basic definitions properly. Where mathematics is concerned, revise the formulas continuously and do the calculations carefully. Please don't make any silly mistakes in calculations and be very quick with the calculations as well. Where biology is concerned, learn all the scientific names of the plants and microbes as well as their role and along with their roles, and revise all the enzymes and their functions. If you keep a check on the points which I am specifying, I am sure nobody can stop you from your entry into your dream college. If you want some more details as to from where to prepare the test, how to prepare the test, then the PSPD division is always there to help you out. So, scan the QR code in front of you and you will come to know the more details regarding this exam CUET UG 2024. So, what are the workshops we provide? What are the test series we provide? Which are the subjects we offer? For all those details, you can contact on the details which are provided to you on the screen. So friends, don't waste your time. Make an early start and be a part of the PSPD department of Resonance and see that you achieve success in CUET UG 2024. So friends, enjoy learning, stay tuned, stay connected and hope to see you soon, very soon again. Thank you all.